So guys, while we enjoy our chai here at the Galata Tower, David is gonna do a highly professional unboxing of the Pro. What is even the brand?
Senku.
Senku. From 10 Electronic. So that sounds very much like quality.
Exactly, so let's see how cool it is. Let's open it up.
I think Apple got inspired by this company's packaging. Yeah.
Exactly.
Let's do it. Manufacturer is Jumpstar Company.
Well, so let's see. Let's remove the plastic wrapping.
Yeah, released there from China.
Okay, let's unbox it. A cool experience.
I think you need to help it out a bit.
Wait.
It doesn't work like on the Apple things. Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah. Okay, so really carton.
Yeah, I mean they need to optimize. Look, it has a cable included.
Oh my. It's a lightning cable.
Really? My gosh, it really
It's
is.
an actual lightning cable.
Wait, connect.
So, great, a quick start guide.
Yeah, whatever. I think we can do it without it.
Now,
Let's remove this amazing.
let's take out the. It's so light. Seconds.
It's like nothing is in there.
Small. So let's take out the Senku profile. That's how you root this.
Can you do it, mate?
So they also got there we go. It's charged. Comes charged out of the box.
Nice.
Oh.
It says it has 4 hours of battery life.
Yeah, and unboxing.
I mean, from afar away, you couldn't really tell a difference.
Yeah.
But the closer you move it, like the shining of the plastic and the latch and all that.
The latch is pretty, no?
Yeah, it's not the
The
same.
closing is nice.
Yeah.
The back kind of feels like it's about to break a bit.
Oh no, not yet. But mate, the question is,
Oh my god.
What?
Look at it.
yeah, okay.
It's funny because it's the OG AirPods design, but
Yeah.
they copied from the AirPods Pro to this.
This is the Pro 2, the amazing design, you know.
Yeah. It's sorry, not copied. Of course.
Yeah, they
Apple copied.
inspired.
So let's
Let's test out the quality of this
Of
amazing
course,
product.
like Apple, surely there will be great pairing. I just need to open the device and it will pair. I'm sure.
Absolutely,
I'm sure, absolutely. So here we go.
You really think that will work?
All right. So let's see.
I mean, you gave it a shot,
I
okay.
gave it a shot. Yeah.
It's probably not caught.
The button is kind of a bit outside.
It looks like quality, yeah.
So I guess I need to press it probably because it's. Well, that didn't feel well.
It sounded like you broke it. Maybe it's dead already.
I don't know. No.
Maybe. Maybe we try with my phone and for some reason works. I don't know.
No, maybe. Because it lights up if I put the AirPods in. So, how? Hold the switch for 3 seconds at the same time with both hands. What? I hold it with both hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it should flicker blue.
Doesn't flicker. Schaupern fehlgeschlagen. This is a great experience. Senku, you're amazing. It's not showing up on my phone. Did he electroshock you?
No, but I just dropped it. Maybe that's how it's turned on, because the light
What, you
keeps
throw
on.
it around?
And believe me, it's true.
So we managed to pair
It's
it.
paired.
Oh my god.
No, we just you need to put them out. Of course, beautiful design.
Amazing, they're two.
Oh, okay.
Was
so-
it the Zini function?
Maybe that's the scene. So if you know the...
They're gone again. No, verbunden.
Oh wait, maybe if I hold it.
Verbunden, mate.
Yeah, it's paired. So this is the... It's already...
It's
No,
doing
it's playing music.
We're such good
I'm
reviewers.
always activating it by accident. Oh, it's touched. It's
Oh,
actually-
fancy.
So, guys, so this is a revolutionary feature with these series. First, you have touch, which is incredible. Look how great it works. And revolutionary thing is, this has a new voice assistant. Forget Apple Intelligence. This has Sini.
Oh,
And you know how Sini works? You just hold. It doesn't work shit. Wait,
you managed it previously.
how did I do it actually? Oh. Maybe I hold it longer.
You just hold it differently.
Just hold it differently. It works. It's great when it works.
Pretty awesome it works. Eh?
So okay, let's try out the first
Yeah,
reaction.
the professional review. But you know, David has actually the real AirPods, so the AirPods Pro, so he knows it.
Siri is always activating.
Okay, now.
Okay, so here we go. Let's turn it on louder.
And how amazing is the experience?
Well, one is not playing.
Also,
Oh, made a sound.
maybe we need to connect both.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll be really honest.
Yeah.
Stop playing. Okay, there we go. Of course, it's of course far away from being as good, but to be honest, it's not that shit.
Okay, so it's alright.
It's like it's playable.
Okay, yeah, I mean,
It's like in the song, but there's no bass.
yeah,
just,
yeah, of
you know,
course. Yeah, it's
but-
flat.
I mean, I guess it's fine.
Yeah.
But it's not like crap.
I mean, I doubt that it has 4 hours battery life. That's probably not
Probably
true.
not, no.
But
But yeah.
for $10,
But that
and you could be
bucks-
wrong.
No,
Like,
$10. That's a double press also.
amazing product.
Yeah, for Senku.
Pro
Oh, it
5.
worked. Okay. There we go.
It only took us 5 minutes to connect, but
But we
apart
made
from
it.
that,
Amazing product.
so you're getting that exclusively sold on the visitor center here because even though I didn't want it, I got it
I
anyway.
was playing the song by accident. Yeah, but yeah, those are the Senku Pro 5.
Buy it now.